Welcome to Triple Axis, where we can save you time and money with on-demand 3D printing. We have 4 options for how we can help you today. The first is if you have a design file, ideally as in an STL or OBJ file format, and would like to get it 3D printed. If that's you, then you can upload your file on our website and get an instant quote. If you're happy with that quote, you can go ahead and place the order right here on the website. The second option is if you'd like to get something 3D printed, but you don't have a 3D design file. Now, if that's you, we can take your sketch, plan, or idea and turn it into a 3D printable design and then go ahead and 3D print it for you. The third option is if you have a physical item, such as a button, a part, a bracket, and would like to get it replicated as a 3D print. We can take your object and create a 3D design from it and then 3D print it for you. The fourth and final option is if you would like to get your idea turned into a 3D printable design file. We can take your idea, sketches, plans, and turn it into a 3D design that you can then use to print on your own printer, for example. So if we can help you, then please choose one of those 4 options to find out more.